What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have KRTX, Karuna Therapeutics. The thing is up around 67.48%, which was pretty big amount. I'm not even gonna lie about that. What do we also got right here is this is the weekly and this is the 3 month chart. So I'm not gonna use the 3 month. I'm gonna use more so the monthly. What we get right here is this downside move will never liquidate nothing. So I would say yeah, even on this monthly chart, we are still coming from this low right here. And this low is at 65.58, which is insane. This is why I'm going to go to the weekly right now and see what we actually got in here. So you can see after those highs got met, the lowest point that we got was right here. Never actually have broken above them. We shifted here one time, so two times. And yeah, there could be a reason why we could see this fall to this area from 136 to 122 areas. But overall, still aiming for these new highs to get met at right around 243.98 highs. So that's about it. Not financial advice, obviously. And see you.